Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is point of view. So point of view is the angle that the story is being told. And the easiest way to figure this out is ask this simple question. Who is telling the story? So as we continue, I'm going to go over the three primary point of views that are most commonly used. Okay, so what are the three primary point of views? It's going to be first person, second person, and third person. Now let's dive deeper into each of these a little bit more. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so let's go into what first person point of view is. First person point of view is the narrator is the person in the story who is telling the story from their point of view. Okay, if you guys want more information about first person point of view, again, subscribe. I'll have a more detailed version of what a first person point of view is, but to a little bit more clarify it right here, since it is the person telling the story, anytime they use like I did this, we went and did this, that's how you know it's coming from the first person point of view, because the person telling the story is actually in the story, the actions that they are doing, stuff that's happening to them. So that's how it is. So anytime you hear I or we, then you'll know it's first person point of view. Okay, so second person point of view is it's not used as much, right? As it says here, it's a little used technique, and this is where you use the word you. I know I'm in the way, so I'll move over, but it says right here, you. So when you're reading the story, it's like you did this, you are on this journey, and someone's telling you what you did. So it's kind of like you are on this adventure when you encounter a magical unicorn that shoots rainbows from its horn, right? So it's kind of just telling you the story that you were just on, as if like you woke up from a coma and you don't know what's going on. Someone's telling you the story, and that's what second person point of view is. So I also published my own books on Amazon. They are kids books from 7 years old and up. You can find them on Amazon. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can get these books for free. So don't forget to check them out. The link will be down in the description below if you want to help support a small content creator. Okay, so let's go over third person point of view, which is the last of the primary point of views. Third person is when the story, the narrator is not part of the action. They are just telling the story of what these people are doing. They just see action and tell it the way it is. So you use the words he, she, they, right? He climbed up a mountaintop. She flew down on a magical unicorn like a Pegasus with wings. They all ran off a cliff, diving into the ocean on their summer break, right? So it's kind of like you use the words he, she, they. You're just telling actions of what they are doing, what he is doing, and what she is doing. And that's what third person point of view is. Okay, so point of view is a literary device that's used to show who is telling the story, whether it's I am in first person, whether it's you, second person, or whether it's he, she, or they, which is third person point of view. If you guys want to learn more about literary devices and other stuff you can use to help push your story forward, you can check out a couple of videos here or the playlist right there. And don't forget, guys, right above me, you can subscribe and help support a small content creator so I can keep teaching you guys how to write a successful story for beginners. Thank you for tuning in. I love you 3000. Bye.